Hi guys, welcome to another video of Elevator Fan. Here we have a York. It's not running right now. Let me check this thing out. It looks pretty old. This is, I believe, I can't really read this. Might be able to a little bit. Let me check, guys. It's a little hard to see. It looks like 5005. And it says what it is up here. It's a heating and air conditioning. So, and this is from 19 something. Wait, it says 1978. This thing must have been old. It's the longest York I have actually seen. It's hot. It must have been running. Okay, thank you guys for watching and bye.